Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A27. In order to change the lock screen wallpaper, you'll need to go to the settings. Now you can simply go to the wallpaper and style option, and now you can click on change wallpapers. Now you can set the ones provided by Samsung, like the ones here, the graphical ones. I think they are really nice as well. You can also use a dynamic lock screen, which will automatically just display different images from the web, but I don't like that feature myself, so I'll just set a static wallpaper from my gallery, because that's what most people do. I think they set a picture of their own. So let's go to recent of my gallery, and now you can select a photo or more, up to 15, that you can apply to your wallpaper. I think I will select this one. I'll just look at what it looks like. Yeah, I think it's nice. Let's click on done. And now you can select whether you want to apply it for your lock screen, home screen, or both. I can select home screen to apply it just to lock screen, but I'll apply it to both because I do like the picture. So let's click on next, and now you can just apply it. You can also customize your lock screen, which I'll show you in a moment. But before I do, let's customize the wallpaper. You can click on frame in order to change, to add a frame to your wallpaper. I think it's a really cool and nice feature. You can also change the color of the frame as well. Yeah, I think this color is the best. And you can also apply an effect to your wallpaper, like blur, grayscale, adding a color filter, or darkening the image with a color filter. And I do like this one a lot. You can also apply a different color here. Yeah, I'll do it like that. Now I'll apply. And let's customize the lock screen now. If you're applying the wallpaper to both a lock and home screens, you can click here to switch between the views. Let's customize the lock screen. You can change the clock style by changing its font. As you can see, it is quite nice with those different fonts. The fonts can also have their thickness customized and the color. I will adapt the color from the wallpaper. It's slightly pinkish, probably invisible on the camera. It's just in person, you know. You can change the style of the clock to the vertical, horizontal one, that one. There are other different options here available, of course. You can show the weather information on your wall clock, and you can show the date above or below the clock. And you can also resize the clock. Well, this font actually doesn't let me do that. I like it a lot, but I'll set a different one just to show you what you can do. You can resize the clock up to even that. And you can also position it wherever you want. So that is pretty nice as well. I'll set it here. And you can also add these shortcuts here on the bottom. Like let's do the torch on the left side and the camera on the right side. Or maybe let's do something else. No, let's leave it on camera. And you can add widgets as well. Widgets can be very different from each other. Let's do maybe calendar, and I'll do upcoming events. Then I'll do one more, which is going to be maybe my daily activity. I will need to set them up later by clicking on them, but I won't do it now. I'll just apply the wallpaper. And you can see that it's there. And I can set it up by clicking on the widgets. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.